อยากให้ดี
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Oh, fuck you, bro. Oh. Go equipment. Oh, look at him. Go equipment. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Here you go. There you go. RLC 3531. Oh, here we go. That's who we're calling right there. 855 RJO Jobs. John Deere RDO Equipment Company. 244-941.
You have to listen. I know you don't normally, most people don't. And that is an extra bad spot. But I almost went off-road. Actually, I did go off-road to avoid you. Please be careful. I have no protection on this whatsoever. So I'm trying not to. I'm pretty aggravated, but I'm trying not to be. So please be careful.
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Is legit. Let's go. Yo. I always catch the cool shit.
Hey, how fast did you go? I went to 140.
I got to about 140, 150.
Yeah, because I had to make sure. I was like, he let you go. You gonna let me go? And he said, yeah, I fucking took off.
He told you to go?
Yeah, he was like, no. I was like, stay left.
What is this guy doing? Yeah, for those of you who watched one of my last videos about people just doing weird stuff on the road, and just keep your eye out, because you know this guy's giving me all the indication in the world that he wants me to go around, but he's got his left turn signal on, which makes no sense. And he dips off to the side of the road, and about the time I start picking up some speed to go around him, he comes back into my lane. Like, what is going on here? This just does not make any sense. Yeah, dude, you do whatever you're gonna do. I'm waiting on you. Oh, so weird. What are you doing, dude? You make no sense. What the heck are you doing? Oh, yeah. Entertainment and nothing else, man. Oh, glad I got the GoPro rolling. Dude! Dude! Jesus! Holy shnikes. That's like the third person he's ran off the road. Good golly. Jesus. Man, was that something else?
Turn it. We about to turn it on.